Namaskar, welcome to fortune telling training. As you know, we have been uploading the most valuable dictum from the classical astrology, and we are also uploading videos on many tips and tricks on astrology. This video is about lucky stones, that is, your lucky gemstone. The most important thing is it does not need any expert prescription because the cosmic design has already given a clue in the birth detail itself. If birth chart is Swabda Karma, in that 9 planets already indicating many things in this birth. Similarly, the details about the birth, that is the weekday lord, day lord, and the Hora lord, or the cosmic entities, which will indicate how to use them for our luck, that is Bhagya. Bhagyaratna Suchaka, right? So, it is pre-indicated in the birth basics. So, how to take the birth basics? The one thing is you have got, I am using computer, so I prefer to go for Jagannatha Hora. Those who are using computer, Jagannatha will be most easiest chart. Those who are using mobile phones, they can use Divyachakshu or Jyotishap or any other app which can give you the detail of the birth day lord and birth Hora lord, right? Now I have taken Jagannath Hora. My own chart, 15th January 1949 is the birth at Mysore, 1954. So what happened? In that birth detail, I have got two things: Vedic weekday, Saturday, and Hora lord is moon. Now what we have to see? There is a rule for it. Simple rule you have to follow. Avoid wearing the gems of day or Hora lord who is in second house, seventh house, or eighth house in the birth chart, or if they are sitting in the enemy Kendra, that is fourth or 10th, for it differs there because fourth and 10th becomes one enemy, one friend for different lagnas. If it is for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, for these lagnas, right, fourth house will be friendly house. For 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, for these houses, 10 and 12 houses, for these houses, 10th house will be friendly houses, fourth will be enemy. So therefore, if the planet is sitting, that is the Hora lord or the day lord is sitting in 2nd, 7th and 8th, or if they are sitting in the enemy Kendras 4th and 10th, or if they are sitting in 3, 6, 12 houses, then do not wear the stone. Either of them. If both are sitting in the enemy house, don't wear it. Or then you got to go for some other method of as to which stone you have to wear. That is a different subject which I will be covering later on. Now, suppose if they are sitting, if they are sitting in 2, 7, 8, avoid, totally avoid. Suppose if they are sitting in the enemy Kendra, 4th or 10th, or if they are sitting in 3rd house, 6th house, or 12th house, then if that 4th house or 10th house or 3rd house or 6th house or 12th house lords If they are sitting in Kona 159 or in friendly Kendra, then we can wear that stone also. No problem. So that is the principle. Now, for me, Saturn is there, then Moon is there. So we will see the chart how they are sitting. Now see, let us take Moon. Moon is sitting in the own house, which is Lagna also, right? So therefore, there is you can easily wear the stone. It is clear. Now Saturn. Saturn is in the second house, which is banned here. Not only that, one more point you have to remember. If the planet is sitting his enemy, Saturn and Sun are both enemies. So not a compatible one. And he is sitting in Sun house. Therefore, Saturn stone cannot be worn by me. So what I have to wear? I have to wear only Saturn is weak. Weak day lord. Hora lord moon is stronger. Stronger out of them you have to wear. Stronger is moon. I have to wear pearl. That is moonstone. Moonstone is pearl. So second house is Maraka, therefore I have to avoid Saturn. Therefore, I wore pearl in a bracelet because there are other things which I wore. I used bracelet. So in that bracelet, so I can show you from here also, right? I have put a photograph also. So I am wearing pearl here. You can see the pearl here. And it is the pearl. I can see the pearl here. You can see the pearl, right? Pearl here. So this is how the lucky stone has to be decided. It is proven to be lucky, no problem. The moment I start wearing this, it was fine. Then in the next slide, list of planets, gems, and how to wear is described. That is essential. No? See, now, so here what happens? All the 9 planets have to describe. Therefore, Rahu and Ketu is also included. But for them, because you have to use them only when they are sitting along with the planet. So that is, for example, if they are sitting in a day lord along with the Hora lord, if Rahu or Ketu is sitting, along with the Hora lord's gemstone, you should wear the gems of Rahu and Ketu also. Otherwise, you don't have to bother about it. Clear? Now, then two groups are there. One is Jupiter group, another is Venus group. In Jupiter group, Sun, Moon, Mars, Ketu will fall. In Venus group, Mercury, Saturn, and Rahu will come in Venus group. Right? Okay. Now, for Jupiter group, you can use Pancha Dhatu or silver as a metal. Right? For Venus group, you can use silver or gold as Panchadhat. Not Panchadhat. Silver or gold you can use. In silver you have to add little gold. So you can use both these things. It can be ring or it can be locket. Whatever it is, after making the locket or ring, you have to wash it with cow milk and then with water. So now there is a prana pratisthapana process there. What is prana pratisthapana process? You have to hold that ring or the locket after washing in the cow and water, put it in the left hand palm, close the palm, then repeat your name along with the planet involved, that is ring planet. If both Rahu Ketu is there, you can add that also. Repeat their mantra if you know the mantra, or you can simply say Suryaya Namaha or Moon, Chandraya Namaha, Mars, Kujaya Namaha, Jupiter, Gurave Namaha, Ketu, Ketave Namaha, Mercury, Budhaya Namaha, Saturn, Shanishcharaya Namaha, Venus, Shukraya Namaha, Rahu, Rahave Namaha. That's all. That is enough. Along with your name. 108 times you read it. Then wear it the day and hora prescribed for each stone which I am going to read now. For Sun as day lord or Hora lord, ruby, manikyam, ruby is important. So that you take it 4 carat, 4 carat, right hand ring finger, right hand ring finger, right? See, Ketu is to be worn in left hand ring finger, left hand ring finger. And what happens? Left hand ring finger, moon is also there. If moon is also there and moon along with Ketu is sitting, then you have to use both stones put together. You have to make a ring, or you can put a locket. This you can do it, right? Similarly, Rahu. If Rahu with Venus here also, or Saturn, Rahu or Saturn, or Mercury. So all little fingers are there, except Saturn, little fingers are there. So what you have to wear? If Venus is with Rahu, you have to wear it in the right hand little finger. Both you can mix it, or you can make a locket. Similarly, Rahu, Mercury are together, right hand little finger. Therefore, both you have to make one ring and wear it. As Saturn is concerned, two different things. Saturn middle finger, blue stone will go to Saturn middle finger, and if Rahu is the right hand side, it will go. If Ketu is there, you go to left hand little finger. So that you have to manage. Otherwise, rest of the things are clear. Moon is a natural pearl you have to wear, 6 carat to the left hand little finger, and that is ruby on Sunday, Thursday or Sun Hora. Moon on left hand little finger, Monday, Thursday or Moon Hora. Mars, red coral, 6 carat right hand ring finger, Tuesday or Thursday, Mars Hora. Jupiter, yellow sapphire, that is Pukaraj, 4 carat right hand index finger, Thursday or Sunday, Jupiter Hora. Cat's eye, that is 6 carat left hand little finger, Thursday or Sunday, Sun Hora. Right. Mercury, emerald, 4 carat right hand little finger, Wednesday or Friday, Mercury Hora. Saturn, blue sapphire, 4 carat right hand middle finger, Saturday or Friday, Saturn Hora. Venus, diamond cannot be in carats, it can be 24 cents, minimum is 24 cents, maximum go up to 1 carat, no problem. Then right hand little finger, Friday or Wednesday in Venus Hora. Rahu, 6 carat right hand little finger, Friday or Wednesday in Rahu Kala. In Rahu Kala you have to wear it. That is more important. Okay. If it is associated any Rahu Ketu, I have already told you. If they are associated, you should follow along with the planets day and Hora. So this is the one of the most important lessons about the stones, and how to wear stones for other things. Other method I will discuss later on.